In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a campaign in Brevo. Whether you're new to Brevo or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get your campaign up and running smoothly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to navigate to the marketing section. You'll find this option typically towards the top of the page in the main navigation menu. Clicking on marketing will direct you to a dashboard where you can manage all of your marketing activities. From the marketing dashboard, look for the campaigns option. Clicking on campaigns will bring you to a page dedicated to managing your email campaigns. This is where you can view existing campaigns, analyze their performance, and of course, create new ones. Now that you're on the campaigns page, locate and click on the Create Campaign button. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to start a new campaign without any hassle. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted with different options for the type of campaign you want to create. Here, you'll want to select email, since we're focusing on email campaigns today. After selecting email, you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter some key details for your campaign. First, you'll need to enter a campaign name. This should be something that clearly identifies the purpose or target of your campaign, making it easily recognizable later. Next, you'll have the option to select tags and a folder. Tags help categorize your campaign, making it easier to search and organize, while the folder selection helps you keep your campaigns neatly organized within Brevo. Once you've filled in these details, click on the Create Campaign button to proceed. You'll be taken to the next step, which involves adding some essential elements to your campaign. You'll need to specify the sender, which is the email address that will appear as the sender of your campaign. Make sure this is an address that is recognizable to your recipients, as this can impact open rates. Next, select the recipient list you want to send your campaign to. If you haven't yet created a recipient list, you'll need to do that before proceeding. Enter a compelling subject line that will encourage your recipients to open the email. Finally, start designing your email. Brevo offers a variety of templates and design tools to help you create a professional-looking email with ease. With your design complete, it's time to schedule your campaign. Click on the Schedule button to open scheduling options. Here, you'll have the ability to select when you want your campaign to be sent. If you're ready to send it immediately, choose the Send Now option. This will prompt you to confirm your choice by clicking on Send Now once more. And just like that, your email campaign is on its way to your recipients. And there you have it. You now know how to send a campaign in Brevo. By following these steps, you can effectively reach out to your audience with a well-crafted email campaign. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is planning, personalization, and timing. Thanks for watching, and happy campaigning.